Welcome to the Room Manager for Office 365. In these presentations, we're going to show you the Outlook Web Access plugin for Office 365. Room Manager is a room booking solution for Office 365 and SharePoint Online. And there is an Outlook component, a new build Office add-in, which let you schedule your meetings from the Outlook calendar in Office 365. Here you see this is my Outlook calendar in Office 365, or you can say previously used under the name OVA. And here I can make a booking and a reservation, a meeting request, invite attendees, book catering, equipment, rooms, and other kind of resources. Now let's see how does it work. Click on the day and you see a calendar pop-up shows the user enters the title of the event. He can invite attendees, and you see here under more options it opens in a larger pop-up, and here is the Office add-in from a Room Manager. Now when you click on that, it opens a task pane, and in the task pane you can select the site and the location where you would like to have the meeting. Let's say it's a meeting in New York. The locations linked to New York shows up. Let's say it's Fifth Avenue, and I say search. Now for the given date, the time frame, I see all the available rooms, layouts, equipments, caterings, and even cars, parking spaces, and workspaces. Additionally, I can filter by these keywords. So I can say I need a room for this event, Atlas Cloud in New York, which has 4 seats. And you see there's one room matching the criteria. So this is a very powerful feature here, which these terms can be defined by you in the rooms list, and you can combine this keyword. So let's say for floor, you see there's only one room, but when I say VIP, there are 3 rooms. VIP with 8 seats, there's 1 room. So I can select this. The room layouts linked and available for the Apollo room shows up. I can select. If I need an equipment, I can do the same. Filtering is available for every category, so I can select the flat screen. I can even add catering and make a catering order. Cars will be not needed for this event, but you could book as well vehicles and cars from the pool. Maybe a parking space for a visitor. And I book the event from the Office add-in. You see the details of the selections that I have done are added to the email body with all the details, and I can just send the meeting invite and book the room. Now when I switch over to the Room Manager site, which runs in Office 365, you will see on the event calendar that an event with Atlas Cloud with the ID for the site, for the location, the booked room, and all the resources like catering and so on are showing up in this very powerful list here. Now as content approval is on, it means that an administrator has to approve this event, and then it will show up in the rooms calendar additionally here, as you see on the Room Manager calendar site. The plugin is deployed centrally, means the user can just, after you have shared the plugin, the Office add-in, under this button here, and you can get the add-ins directly by clicking here. The user can interact without the interaction of the administrator, and under my add-ins you will see that the custom add-in can be added as all the other add-ins without interaction of the administrator. If the add-in would not be here, you can add it from a file or from a URL, and it's deployed through Exchange Online. This is another video which shows up how centralized a deployment works. So let's recap. There is a Office add-in for Room Manager, Office 365, where the users can use just a task pane here to easily find by site location all the available categories like cars, like rooms, like room layouts, like parking spaces and workspaces. Thank you very much.